Hi students, in this video we're going to take a look at safety with chemicals and chemistry experiments. Here are some laboratory safety rules. No bags in the classrooms. No food or drink in the labs. Report vandalism and broken or missing equipment as soon as possible or you will be held responsible. Put rubbish in the bins. Do not leave it in sinks, cupboards or on the floor. No running around or joking in the labs. Do not touch gas or water taps unless asked by the teacher. Make sure that equipment is in correct place, benches are wiped down and chairs are pushed under the desk before leaving the classroom. Work quietly at all times. Do not touch fan or light switches. Respect others' rights. When working with chemicals, we need to follow safe procedures. Look for the chemical labeling code on the bottles of chemicals. Read the following codes and safety measures. A green dot symbolizes chemicals used by years 7 to 12. A white dot on the bottle symbolizes chemicals used by year 11 and 12 only. A red one signifies teachers use only. The symbol here indicates a flammable liquid. So do not use naked flames near these chemicals. This symbol here indicates a flammable solid, that which can burn easily. This symbol here symbolizes a spontaneous combustible substance, meaning it does not require any external heat source to burn and can catch fire on its own. This signifies a dangerous when wet, meaning it's highly reactive with water. This symbol denotes an oxidizing agent, a highly reactive when mixed with some chemicals or when dried. Toxic or poisonous substances are indicated by this symbol. A corrosive substance can burn on contact with body tissues and with work surfaces. When doing experiments, remember to wear eye protection at all times. Use lab coats to protect yourself. When you come to the science labs tomorrow, locate the following in the different labs and identify their purposes. Do not drink water from the taps in the labs. Today we're going to talk about changes of state. We're going to talk about sublimation. Sublimation is a process when a solid directly changes to the vapor state when heated. Today we're going to look at the experiment of sublimation of iodine. Carefully watch the safety measures followed during the experiment. Iodine is a hazardous chemical which is having the following symbols or coding labels. So iodine is hazardous, it's oxidizing and corrosive. Observe the changes taking place when iodine is heated in a beaker using a hot plate. An evaporating basin with ice cubes is placed on the beaker. After 2 minutes of heating, the heating is stopped and the apparatus setup is allowed to cool. Observe the crystallization of iodine on the surface of the evaporating dish. Solid iodine on heating gets converted to iodine as vapors, which on cooling recrystallizes to form iodine, which is a solid. Answer the following questions and come prepared for tomorrow's lesson. Thank you.